Hello dear Codis car viewers. Please don't forget to like the video, turn on the bell and comment on the channel. Foxconn, a Taiwanese electronics firm that is one of the main manufacturers of Apple iPhones, is planning to enter the automotive space with the Foxtron Model B. A full reveal of the Model B is coming on October 18th, but Foxconn has already given a good look at the hatchback's Pininfarina-penned exterior design. Initial production of the Model B will take place in China next year, but the company says that the hatchback will be built at Foxconn's Lordstown, Ohio assembly plant starting in 2024. A Foxconn representative told Car and Driver that although the electronics company has said it will build several electric vehicles at its Lordstown, Ohio plant, it has not publicly said where the Model B will be produced. However, Foxconn did not explicitly rule out production in the United States in its statement. You might not be familiar with the name Foxconn, but you certainly know its biggest product. The Taiwanese electronics company is one of the leading iPhone manufacturers. The firm is also looking to expand into the automotive space. In 2021, Foxconn purchased the Lordstown assembly plant in Ohio from struggling EV startup Lordstown Motors. Now Foxconn has given the first look at a new electric hatchback, the Foxtron Model B, that it plans to eventually build in the United States. Foxconn has provided minimal information so far about the Model B, with the EV set to be fully unveiled on October 18th. You may have noticed that the brand name associated with the Model B is not Foxconn, but Foxtron. This vehicle is part of a joint venture between the electronics maker and Yulin Motor, Taiwan's largest automaker, which has built Nissans under license for decades and also created its own brand, Lordstown. While Foxconn is tight-lipped about specifications, the video does show off the Model B's design, which was penned by Italian design house Pininfarina. The compact car has its large, flashy wheels pushed out the corners, while the front and rear ends are dominated by full-width LED light bars. The smooth bodywork is accentuated by a stylized C-pillar, and a unique feature in the taillights appears to display images to communicate with pedestrians. The Model B will ride on Foxconn's open-source ME platform, which stands for Mobility and Harmony. The platform will also underpin two additional modules previously revealed by Foxconn, the Model C, a larger crossover, and Model E, a luxury sedan. The platform supports single and dual motor setups, and Foxconn claims a range of 435 miles from the Model C and 466 miles for the Model E. Foxconn is aiming to initially start building the Model B in China in 2023, but will eventually start production of the vehicle in 2024 at the Lordstown plant, which formerly produced the Chevy Cruze. It's unclear if the Model B will be offered in the US. The plant is apparently configured to churn out to 500,000 vehicles a year, and Foxconn plans to also build the Lordstown Endurance and Fisker's upcoming pair crossover at the plant under contract as well. While it would be great to see the factory up and running again, we remain skeptical of Foxconn's ability to follow through on its automotive ambitions. Foxconn previously pledged to invest $10 billion in a massive display panel manufacturing plant in the small town of Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin, originally touting the creation of 13,000 jobs and production starting in 2020. 5 years later, only a few buildings have been completed, little has been produced, and the investment has been reduced to $672 million with only 1,454 new jobs. The Lordstown plant is also relying on unproven automotive startups. The Fisker pair, for instance, is only a shadowy rendering at this stage. While Lordstown Motors has now built the first two endurance pickups at the Ohio factory, the first of an initial batch of 500 vehicles set to be delivered in 2022 and 2023, the company's past financial struggles means its longevity remains in question. Foxconn previously aimed to help build an EV from Chinese startup Byton, but those plans fell through when Byton ran out of funds. Hopefully the same fate doesn't befall Fisker and Lordstown Motors, but Foxconn's automotive future is still up in the air. Dear viewers, please share your thoughts on the subject with us.